Class 12th History. Themes in Indian History Part 1. Chapter 1, Bricks, Beads and Bones, The Harappan Civilization. इस वीडियो में हम लोग टर्म 1 2021 2022 में जो MCQ बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, सिंपल MCQ बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, assertion and reason based MCQ questions and केस स्टडी बेस्ड MCQ क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग डायरेक्ट MCQ क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, यहाँ पर कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हुए हैं और आपको बताना है कि इन स्टेटमेंट्स में से हड़प्पा की जो सबसिस्टेंस स्ट्रेटजीज हैं उसके बारे में कौन से स्टेटमेंट सही हैं। तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट they have reconstructed dietary practices from finds of charred grain and seeds. Second is, archaeobotanists have studied grains found at Harappa like millets, barley, etc. And third is, animals were domesticated according to archaeobotanists. तो इन तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स में से फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ओनली फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट, बी इज ओनली सेकेंड एंड थर्ड इज करेक्ट, सी इज 1, 2, 3 all the statements are correct, and D is only second statement is correct. So the correct answer is option A. That means statement first and statement second is correct. Next question, which of the following was a part of the Harappan people's diet? Option A, millets, B, animal products, C, mango seeds, and D, both A and B. And the correct answer is both A and B. That is option D is correct. Third question is, the bones of which of these animals have been found at Harappan sites? A, lion, B, pig, C, deer, D, both B and C. And the correct option is D, both B and C. Question number 4, which one of the following was used most likely for harvesting during Harappan civilization? A, stone blades, B, tractors, C, cattle, and D, agriculture was not practiced during the Harappan civilization. So the correct option is A, stone blades were used for harvesting during Harappan civilization. Fifth question, which among the following are possibly the most distinctive artifact of the Harappan civilization? Options, pottery and ornament, B, copper mirror, C, stone seals, D, beads, jewelry, and the answer is option C, that is stone seals. Question number 6, which of the following items was not used in the Harappan culture? A, stone blades, B, gold mirror, C, stone seals, D, beads, jewelry. And the correct answer is option B, that is gold mirrors. Question number 7, which of these sites of Harappan civilization belong to Haryana? Options are Kalibangan, Lothal, Banawali, Shortungai. And answer is option C is correct, that is Banawali. It is the site of Haryana. Question number 8, traces of canals have been found at the Harappan sites of Dholavira, Shortungai, Kalibangan, and D is Sindh. And the correct option is B, that is traces of canal have been found at the Harappan site of Shortungai in Afghanistan. Question number 9, which of these is the characteristic feature of citadel at Lothal? A, low walls, B, high walls, C, built at a height, and D, away from the river. So The answer is C, that is built at a height. Question number 10. Which of these was a luxury object? A. Sickle, B. Queenstones, C. Pots of fiends, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is option C, that is pots of fiends. Question number 11. Which among the following is not a notable artifact found in Mohenjo-daro site? A. Dancing girl, B. Dockyard, C. Pashupati seal, D. Priest king. And the answer is option B, that is dockyard. Question number 12. Which one of the following Harappan civilization sites are presently outside India? Options: Kalibangan, Shortunghai, Chandhudro and Lothal. So the options are 1 and 2, B 2nd and 3, C 3 and 4, and D 1 and 4. And the answer is option B, that is Shortunghai and Chandhudro. They are outside India. Presently they are outside India. One is in Afghanistan, other is in Pakistan. Question number 13. Chandhudro was famous for brick making, bead making, shipbuilding, weapon making. And option B is correct, that is Chandhudro was famous for bead making. Question number 14. The most distinctive feature of Harappan cities was A. The planned drainage system, B. The broad courtyard, C. The citadel, and D. The burials. And option A is correct, that is the planned drainage system. So the most distinctive feature of Harappan site was the planned drainage system. Question number 15. Which among the following is a very soft stone? A. Lapis lazuli, B. Carnelian, C. Jasper, and D. Steatite. And the option correct answer is D, that is steatite. Question number 16. Consider the following statements regarding the identification of Shiv, a figure represented on Harappan seals. It is shown in the form of Gajapati. Second, it is shown seated in yogic posture. 3. It is surrounded by animals. And fourth, it is shown with a female figure identifiable with Parvati. Which of the above statements are correct reason for identifying the figure with Shiv? Options are 1 and 4, B 2 and 3, C 2 and 4, and C 3 and 1. And the correct answer is option B. Option B, that means 2 and 3. So Shiva, it is shown seated in yogic posture, and 3 is it is surrounded by animals. These two statements are true. Question number 17. Why is Harappan script called enigmatic? And you have to identify the appropriate reason. A. It was pictographic and uniform. B. It was written from left to right. C. Most scripts were short. The longest contained 26 signs. Each sign stood for a vowel or a consonant. And D. It shows common feature of writing, and the correct option is C. Question number 18. Which of the following site is called as Center of Ganeshwar Jodhpur culture by the archaeologist? A. Mohenjo-daro, B. Nageshwar, C. Khetri and D. Dholavira. And the correct option is C, that is Khetri. Question number 19. How was inner country communication done during Harappan civilization? A. Waterways, B. Roadways, C. Railways, D. All of the above. And the correct option is A, that is waterways. Question number 20. The best source of lapis lazuli, a blue stone that was apparently very highly valued, was found in dash. And the correct option, A option is Bharuch in Gujarat, B. Shortunghai in Afghanistan, C. Kalibangan in Rajasthan and D. Dholavira in Gujarat. So lapis lazuli, it was found in Shortunghai in Afghanistan and B is the correct option. Question number 21. Mesopotamian texts datable to the 3rd millennium BCE refer to copper coming from a region called Magan. Magan was probably the ancient name of dash. Options: Oman, B. Kuwait, C. Qatar, D. Iran. And the correct option is A, that is Oman. Question number 22. Which one of the following statement is incorrect regarding the weights used during the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro period? A. In Harappa and Mohenjo-daro period, exchanges were regulated by a precise system of weights usually made of a stone called chert. B. They are generally cubical and without marking. C. The higher dominations of weights were binary in multiple of 2. And D. The smaller weights were probably used for weighing jewelry and beads. So the incorrect statement is C, that is the higher denomination of weights were binary in multiple of 2. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. तो ये जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है इस क्वेश्चन का, दैट इज ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. Which of the following statements are true regarding the script written on seals used during the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro period? Option A. The seals usually have a line of writing probably containing the name and title of the owner. B. The motif on the seals conveyed a meaning to those who could not read. Third, most inscriptions are quite short and it was evidently not alphabetical and as has many signs. And fourth one is the script was written from left to right as some seals show a wider spacing on the left and cramping on the right. And the options are A, that means first, second and fourth statements are true. B, 1, 2 and 3. C, 1, 3 and 4. And D, 2, 3 and 4. And the correct option is B. Question number 24. Which one of the following is not considered as a possible reason for the end of the Harappan civilization? Options are A, flood, B, climate change, C, afforestation, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option C is correct, that is afforestation. Question number 25. In which of the following the problem of archaeological interpretation most evident? A, architecture, B, religious practices, C, social structure, D, occupational structure. And the correct option is B. So option B is correct. Question number 26. In which of these countries do sites of Indus Valley civilization exist? A, New Zealand, B, Russia, C, Africa and D, Pakistan. And the correct option is D, Pakistan. Question number 27. The story of Indian archaeology is written by option A. Rakhal Das Banerjee, B. S. N. Roy, C. John Marshall, D. Alexander Cunningham, and option B, that is S. N. Roy, is correct. So the story of Indian archaeology, it is written by S. N. Roy. The significance of Harappan seals begin to realize when A. Archaeologist Dayaram Sahni in the early decades of the 20th century discovers the seal at Harappa. B. A Harappan seal was given to Cunningham by an Englishman. C. The first professional archaeologist John Marshall brought his experience of working in Greece and Crete to work in India. And D. Rakhal Das Banerjee found similar seals at Mohenjo-daro. And the correct answer is option A. That means the significance of Harappan seals began to realize when archaeologist Dayaram Sahni in the early decades of 20th century discovers the seals at Harappa. Question number 29. The Director General of ASI who brought a military precision to the practice of archaeology was dash. A. John Marshall, B. R. E. M. Wheeler, C. Alexander Cunningham, D. Howard Carter, and option B, that is R. E. M. Wheeler, is the correct answer. Question number 30. My Archaeological Mission to India and Pakistan was written by option John Marshall, R. E. M. Wheeler, Alexander Cunningham, Howard Carter, and the answer is R. E. M. Wheeler. So option B is the correct answer. Some scholars have suggested that Proto-Shiv is possibly a shaman. Which of the following statement is the correct meaning of the word shaman? A. People who claim magical and healing powers as well as an ability to communicate with the other world. B. A semi-nomadic group of desert dwellers of Arabia. C. A person who serves as a professional copyist, especially who made copies of manuscript. And D. A person who has the authority to perform or administer various religious rites. And the correct answer is option A. Now we will discuss assertion and reason based questions. Here in the following questions, a statement of assertion A is followed by a statement of reason R, and you have to mark the correct choice as A. A means both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false, and D. A is false and R is true. First question is assertion A. Bones of cattle have been found at Harappan sites. Reason R. The practice of domesticating animals existed during the Harappan civilization. Here option A is correct. That means both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 2. Statement assertion, that is the field has two sets of furrows at right angles to each other. Reason single crop was grown by Harappans. Here option C is correct. That means A is true but R is false. Question number 3. Traces of canals have been found at Harappan sites at Shartunghai in Afghanistan. Reason most Harappan sites are located in semi-arid lands. And here option A is correct. That is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 4. Assertion A. The bull was known, and archaeologists extrapolate from this that oxen were used for plowing. Reason: terracotta models of plough have been found at sites in Cholistan and at Banavali. Here option A is correct, that means both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 5. Assertion: the burials found at Harappan contain pottery and ornaments. Reason: the Harappans did not believe in afterlife. Here option C is correct, that means A is true but R is false. Question number 6. Assertion: one of the strategies to identify social differences during the Indus Valley civilization is to study artifacts. Reason: archaeologists assume objects were luxurious if they were rare or made from costly non-local materials or with complicated technologies. Here option B is correct, that means both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 7. Assertion: the Harappan settlement was first planned and then implemented accordingly. Reason: bricks were whether sun-dried or baked, were of a standardized ratio where the length and breadth were 4 times and twice the height respectively. Here option A is correct, that means both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 8. Assertion: there are no windows in the walls along the ground level. Besides, the main entrance does not give a direct view of the interior or the courtyard. Reason: the courtyard was the center of activities such as cooking, weaving, etc., and Harappans had an apparent concern for privacy. Here option A is correct, that means both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 9. Terracotta model of a ship was found at Lothal, indicating that external trade was carried using ships and boats. Reason: small and heavy weights plus metal scale pans have been found. Here option B is correct. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 10. Assertion: archaeological finds suggest that copper was probably brought from Oman on the south eastern tip of Arabian Peninsula to make vessels. Reason: chemical analysis have shown that both the Omani copper and Harappan artifacts have traces of nickel, suggesting a common origin. Here option A is correct, that means both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 11. Assertion: seals and sealings were used to facilitate long-term communication. Reason: the sealing also conveyed the identity of the sealer, identity of the sender. Here option B is correct, that means both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 12. Expeditions to areas such as Khetri region of Rajasthan and South India established communication with local communities. Reason: Harappan artifacts such as steatite microbeads in these areas are indications of such contact. Here option A is correct, that means both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 13. Assertion: early archaeologists brought that certain objects may have had a religious significance. Reason: attempts have also been made to reconstruct religious beliefs and practices by examining seals, some of which seem to depict ritual scenes. Statement: both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 14. Assertion. In 1924, John Marshall, the Director General of ASI, announced the discovery of a new civilization in the Indus Valley to the world. Reason: John Marshall was convinced about Cunningham's collected, documented, and translated inscriptions found during his survey. Here, option C is correct. That means A is true but R is false. Question number 15. Cunningham thought that Indian history began with the first cities in the Ganga Valley. Reason: he used the accounts left by Chinese Buddhist pilgrims who had visited the subcontinent between the 14th and 17th century CE to locate early settlements. Here option A is correct. That means both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 16. Assertion. Specialists from the subcontinent and abroad have been jointly working at both Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Reason: Wheeler recognized that it was necessary to follow the strategy of the mound rather than dig mechanically along uniform horizontal lines. Here option B is correct. That means both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Now we will discuss some case study based MCQs. Here, map of citadel of Mohenjo-daro is given, and by examining the map you have to read the question and give answers. Choose the correct option. So the first question is, identify the two most important buildings located in the citadel area of Mohenjo-daro, and the correct option is B. That means the two important buildings in the citadel area is the Great Bath and the warehouse. Question number 2. According to the assumption of most of the historians, the purpose of Great Bath must have been, here many options are given. For example, washing clothes, bathing space for women, ritual bathing, and leisure bathing like Roman baths. And the correct option is option C. That is, the purpose of Great Bath in Mohenjo-daro was ritual bathing. Question number 3. Choose the correct option. Assertion. Citadel was smaller but higher part of Mohenjo-daro. Reason. It is on the citadel that we find evidence of structures that were probably used for special public purpose. Here option B is correct. That means both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 4. Consider the following statements. The Great Bath was a large round tank, and second, there was 2 flight of stairs on the north and south of the tank. Here statement 1 is true but statement 2 is wrong. So the options, only 1 is correct, only second is correct, both 1 and 2 are correct, and neither 1 nor 2 is correct. So the option B is correct. That means only second is correct. Observe the picture and answer the following questions by choosing the correct options. What is shown in the picture? Cylinder and flattened seal, circular and flattened coin, none of these, and cylinder and flattened utensils. So the option A is correct. That is cylinder and flattened seal. Second question. The seal found in excavation at Indus Valley site is common to Egypt, China, Mesopotamia, Greek. Option B is correct. That is here option C is correct. That is Mesopotamia. Question number 3. Where does the humped bull motif appears to be derived from? Options: Indus region, American region, Aztec civilization, Roman civilization, and the correct option is A, that is Indus region. Question number 4. Which of these is a Harappan site? Magad, Magan, Patliputra, Hampi, and the correct answer is Magad, that is option and the correct option is B, that is Magan. Now you have to read the paragraph. An extract is given, and by reading this paragraph you have to read the question and choose the correct option. The plight of Harappa. Although Harappa was the first site to be discovered, it was badly destroyed by brick robbers. As early as 1875, Alexander Cunningham, the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, often called the father of Indian archaeology, noted that the amount of brick taken from the ancient site was enough to lay bricks for about 100 miles of the railway line between Lahore and Multan. Thus, many of the ancient structures at the site were damaged. In contrast, Mohenjo-daro was far better preserved. So, question number 1. Who used to take away the bricks from Harappa earlier? And the correct option is brick robbers. Question number 2. Cunningham unsuccessfully placed the bricks found from Harappa with the time frame of the first cities in the Ganga Valley. Why? Option A, because he wanted to save time. B, Harappa was not the part of the Chinese pilgrim itineraries and remained unknown for long. C, because Harappa was not under British control. And D, because the surrounding villages rumored about it. And option B is correct. Third question. Dash is the most popular site of Indus Valley civilization, while Dash was the first site of the civilization to be discovered. So the correct answer is Mohenjo-daro was the most popular site of Indus Valley civilization, and while Harappa was the first site to be discovered. That means option A is correct. Father of Indian archaeology is Alexander Cunningham. That is option D is correct. Here you have to observe the picture and answer the following questions by choosing the correct option. So, which animal has been represented by the Harappan in this picture? So, this is the picture of bull. What was it used for? It was used for plowing. Question number 3. At which of these sites evidence of plough have been found? And the correct option is Kalibangan. Question number 4. What was used to make this sculpture? And the correct option is option D, fire baked earthen clay. So, like this you have to prepare, you have to practice more MCQ questions, assertion and reason based MCQ questions, and also case study based MCQ questions for term 1 CBSE board 2020-21 exams.